Irregular noun singular plural quiz. Instruction. Choose the one correct answer. 10 points.
1. What is the correct plural of thesis?
A.
Thesizes, B. Thesis, C. Theses, D. Thesis. The answer is C. Theses.
2. Choose the correct sentence. A. The alumni was invited to speak. B. The alumni were invited to speak. C. The alumni were invited to speak. D. The alumnus were invited to speak. The answer is C. The alumni were invited to speak.
3. What is the singular form of data in formal academic usage?
A.
Datas, B. Datum, C. Data, D. Datums. The answer is B. Datum.
4. Identify the incorrect form. A. Criterion criteria. B. Phenomenon phenomena. C. Analysis analyzes. D. Diagnosis diagnoses. The answer is C. Analysis analyzes. 5. Fill in the blank. Several blank were conducted before the conclusion was published. A. Analysis. B. Analyses. C. Analysises. D. Analytic. The answer is B. Analysis. 6. Which pair is correctly matched? A. Index indexes. B. Appendix appendixes. C. Bacterium bacteria. D. Curriculum curriculumses. The answer is C. Bacterium bacteria. 7. Choose the correct sentence. A. The criteria is clearly defined. B. The criterion are clearly defined. C. The criteria are clearly defined. D. The criterions are clearly defined. The answer is C. The criteria are clearly defined. 8. What is the correct plural of datum? A. Datums. D. Data. C. Datas. D. Datum. The answer is B. Data. 9. Identify the correct academic usage. A. The phenomena was unexpected. B. The phenomenon were unexpected. C. The phenomena were unexpected. D. The phenomenons were unexpected. The answer is C. The phenomena were unexpected. 10. Which plural form is correct? A. Mouse mouses. B. Mouse mice. C. Mouse mices. D. Mouse mice. The answer is B. Mouse mice. Score 9 to 10, academic grammar expert. Score 7 to 8, very strong. Below 7, rewatch the lesson and try again. Comment your score.